What's up guys, Ravindra Joisa here, and today I'm gonna talk about that setting that you need to do in Premiere Pro in order to get the best quality videos when you're uploading it to YouTube. Premiere Pro has its own presets to upload videos to YouTube, but then in addition to these presets, you might have to fine-tune a bit. YouTube has given its own list of file formats that are supported and the recommended settings. You might have seen many times in social media like Facebook and YouTube that whenever you upload a video, the quality of that video looks a bit different from the one that you have actually uploaded. These social media channels compress the video for better streaming of videos. So in this video I'm going to explain you what exactly is that setting that you need to do in order to get those best quality videos. I'll try to keep it as simple as possible and nothing too technical so that it's easier for you to understand. Also, I'll be covering mainly to export HD quality. So before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Open Premiere Pro. Once you're done with the editing, click on File and then Export, and then click on Media. Well, the final format recommended by YouTube is H.264, and I'm selecting one of those presets as of now, YouTube 1080p HD. This is the default settings that is provided by Premiere Pro. But if you upload a video with this particular setting, the image quality might go down and it might look a bit different from the one that you have uploaded. So there are a few minor fine-tuning that you need to do before you export video out of Premiere Pro. You give a name to that video, select render at maximum depth. Note that the preset will change to custom. Ignore it. Change this setting to VBR 2pass. By default, the target bitrate will be 16. With this setting, the video won't be up to the mark, and this is the reason why I want to increase it to 32. Check the option use maximum render quality. Now select the audio, scroll down further and just check if the audio quality is high and if it is set to 320 kbps. And that's it. That's the settings that you need to do. So this is the best recommended settings that most of the photographers and videographers do. You can either queue that and send it to Media Encoder, or you can directly click on Export. This will take a while. Hope you like this video. I'll be sharing videos of this kind every week, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel now.